The thermostat sits between your engine and your radiator and plays a crucial role in regulating engine temperature. When the engine is cold, the thermostat remains closed, allowing the engine to warm up quickly. Once it reaches the optimal temperature, the thermostat opens, allowing coolant to flow into the radiator and maintain the right temperature. This ensures your engine operates at its optimal temperature range, which directly affects performance and fuel efficiency. But what happens when the thermostat fails? In this video, we'll explore the telltale signs of a bad thermostat and what you should look out for. 1. Overheating. The most common symptom of a bad thermostat is engine overheating. If the thermostat gets stuck in the closed position, coolant can't reach the radiator, leading to a rapid increase in engine temperature. You'll notice the temperature gauge creeping into the red zone. 2. Coolant leaks. Another sign of a faulty thermostat is coolant leaks. If the thermostat gets stuck closed, pressure builds up inside the cooling system, causing hoses, gaskets, and seals to fail. Coolant may leak from various points, including the radiator cap, hoses, or water pump. 3. Heater not working properly. If your car's heater isn't blowing warm air, that's another possible symptom of a bad thermostat. With the engine running too cold, there's not enough heat to transfer to the heating system. So, if you're blasting the heater and it's still blowing cold air, the thermostat could be stuck open. 4. Fluctuating temperature gauge. A healthy engine maintains a consistent temperature, but when the thermostat is faulty, the gauge may show fluctuations. You might notice the engine heating up too quickly, cooling down, and then heating up again. This erratic behavior is a classic sign of a bad thermostat. Diagnosing and fixing the thermostat. Now that you know the symptoms, how can you diagnose and fix a bad thermostat? First, look at your car's temperature gauge and coolant levels. If you suspect the thermostat is faulty, a mechanic can test the component by checking its opening and closing temperatures. Replacing a thermostat is a relatively inexpensive fix, but it requires draining some coolant from the system. Once the thermostat is replaced, it's crucial to bleed the system of any trapped air and top up the coolant levels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need this information. And as always, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or video suggestions.